Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this oat milk. This is very easy. All you needed is few ingredients that you can get within your kitchen. Okay, I'll be listing out the right measurement of this ingredient that I use on my description. Please feel free to check it out. So I'll be blending them together. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. I really appreciate you. Thank you. So after blending, I'll be sieving it. So you can see this is very easy recipe. If you can do it, why do you need to buy it? I need to squeeze out all the milk, and this is another alternative to milk for those who don't like milk. At least this is more healthier option for you. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe at GLAATORY and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. And please like my video. Like it. It doesn't cost you anything. Like it, comment, and please share. I'll be blending it again. And now I added the sweetener, which is honey. So feel free to add any sweetener of your choice or make it plain. It's up to you. I'll be blending it again for 1 minute. I hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can do it on your own. There is no nonsense inside. If you can do it, why do you need to buy? At least you're sure of what goes inside your body. This is very easy. Now we have made our homemade oat milk. Very creamy and tasty. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. I bet you if you can do it, why do you need to buy the store-bought one? At least there is no preservative. You are sure of what you are putting inside. So remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Follow my page. It will cost you nothing, okay? Please subscribe and follow. Like my video, comment, and please share. Now I'm transferring it to these bottles because I'll use it to keep it in the refrigerator. You can refrigerate this and use it within 3 days. This is very easy recipe, oat milk that you can make on your own with no preservative, with no nonsense inside. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.